Guys, today is Wednesday, November 25th, okay? And tomorrow is Thanksgiving. So, for those of you who are in our network, we are closed on the holidays. We will be closed on Thanksgiving. If you send messages through our network, whether it's through the website or whether it's through the WhatsApp, just wait for us to get back on track. We will get back on track on Friday, okay? I might still do an update and post it, but keep in mind it is a holiday and we won't be answering questions on that day. All right, so with that said, let's move on with this update, guys. I showed the account last time. This is the account here, okay? But and then I did some talking. I want to go into the daily financial market report, and I want to talk about, while I scroll through the daily financial market report, I'm just going to scroll through it, but I want you to pay attention not to the extreme stress indicators on that report, but pay attention to the MAS. What I call MAS, it stands for Market Alignment Score. Now, I don't have the market alignment score on there on the report like I used to. It's a percentage, and the percentage basically tells you how on fire the market is. So, but I do have a symbol on the daily financial market report. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. And remember, this is the daily financial market report. Whenever you see that the research has been completed, then you're good to go. So it has been completed on November 25th, which is today. Okay. So whenever you see that, that means you're good to go. Now your report might be white. This screen thing with the whole phone, they just turn everything to dark mode. I don't know what that's all about, but I'll look into it or have somebody else look into it for me. So, but usually this looks like a white screen and you can see the green. You can still see the green pop out on here. So I guess, but whatever. There you go. Research completed November 25th. Always make sure you see that before you read the report. If you don't see it, if the date is the 28th, but you see research completed on the 27th, then you just wait until that changes. Okay. Definitely you get a update. We send our update notifications via WhatsApp. So you do go into a special room on WhatsApp. And we also send our update notifications on the Facebook group. And we're going to have some other WhatsApp rooms open. So look out for it. In fact, it should be up on the website by before this weekend, hopefully. I'm very excited about that part of the website, guys. The community, we might just call it Connect, but it's definitely a community where you're going to be able to, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm excited. Here's why I'm excited. I'm excited because one of the questions we always get is, Gabriel, why don't you show us we want access to the third party analysis, which is MyFX book. That's just one of them. I think that's probably one of the most popular companies out there. And with that, we'll give you the link. We're gonna have a page, okay? It's gonna be called Proof. At first we're gonna name it Strategy Progress, but we'll probably call it Strategy Proof, okay? Because that's what it is. It's proof. This is proof that I'm doing here on these videos. All the videos I've done for the past years. I've only documented 2 years of public videos. All the other ones are archived in Google Drive, and that's because I wasn't on YouTube during those early years. I stayed only in the WhatsApp arena and Facebook, and that's it, and Instagram, and that's about it. I didn't go on YouTube, and I didn't make those updates public. So technically I have like 4 years of data proving what I'm saying. But I realize for some people that's not enough. Why is that? Well, for several reasons. Because the market, the financial market, especially the Forex market, full of scammers. All right. So I kind of get lumped into that whole bulk of people because I'm associated with the Forex. All right. So I get that. Trust me, I learned that a long time ago. That's a whole nother story for another day. But when you're able to add more and more validity, more and more proof, and you're out there, I'm putting my name, I'm putting myself out there. I'm just putting it out there. All right. My team, they're putting themselves out there. And look, if you're not hiding anything, you have no reason not to put yourself out there. Okay. Now, this always comes up. Gabriel, why you don't show yourself? I do show myself. That's just me. I'm just shy. Just like how you go on other YouTube videos and you'll see people, they'll either show themselves or they don't. I might start doing that, actually. I was thinking about doing that. Wow, I'm really off topic here, huh? But anyways, I will start doing that in the upcoming future. You know, that's just me. You know, I'm just weird. It's weird, but you know, I'm shy on certain things, but I'm not on other things. You know, I can stand in front of an audience and make a speech to a whole crowd, you know, which I've done that. But when it comes to other things, hey, go figure. Okay, so yeah, we're out there putting ourselves out there. We're gonna have a page called the Strategy Proof. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. Which is basically my FX book links where you can go check out for yourself live data, updated data that's not updated by me or anybody on our team. It's updated by a whole nother company that has nothing to do with us. All right. And that's what this company does. People go there, they plug in their accounts, and the computers just analyze it, and that's it. So you'll be able to see the analysis of everything I'm talking about on real accounts. And then we'll have some other, probably some demo accounts too, but the majority of them real accounts, because these real accounts are real life people that are clients of ours. So the account management, you'll be able to see what's going on. Like, wow, this stuff, oh, look at this. Oh, this account went up 20%. Oh, look at this. This account just went up 10% in a day, and 100% here, and whatever the percentage, it all varies. But you'll be able to see one key thing. And what is that key thing? This actually really works. Okay? All right, it works. And I'll just leave it there because my mind is like racing. It always just races, and I got so many things I want to talk about. But I also got to learn to keep it short and simple and stay on path with the subject. So let me continue. What I said I would do is I'm going to scroll, but I wanted to talk about, yeah, that's actually what I wanted to talk about, actually, was that page. Since I already talked about it before I scrolled. There's other things to talk about as well. Look at the fire, okay? You'll see that with this market. Fire. I mean, not all of them on fire, but the majority of them are on fire. Whenever you start to trade in an environment like this, oh my goodness. So then you know the Forex market is going to be fire. That's one of the reasons why the account we're seeing is doing so well. Now, you're going to have moments where, look at the commodities market. Everything is 100. The MAS score in here is 100%, guys. Oh, take it back. It was 100%. There was extreme stress takeover with natural gas, so that definitely should be a new trend. But the signal is still correct, guys. Sometimes you'll see me make adjustments to the notes. Okay, that should have been changed, but there. Still 7. Nope, new trend. So if it's a new trend, it's a brand new. So it starts all over at 0 days. Okay. There was a takeover with the natural gas, which this market was on. But guys, oh my goodness, the commodities market. If you just jump in, if you want to be one of those safe traders and you want to jump in only when it's safe, then look for the fire on our report. Look at this. Cryptocurrency is on 100% MAS score. Indices. The whole market is just wow. NASDAQ really doing a number, guys. It's very resilient. You know, I thought last week that we were going to see the extreme pressure, because there was a lot of extreme pressure. I think it was on a when was it on it was on a Thursday of last week, if I could remember well. And the MAS, the daily financial market report was like extreme stress all over the place. In every market. And I was like, whoa. There was some stress going on, but whoa, we've seen some very resilient moves, especially with the American market, with the stock market. And guys, another thing too, we're gonna have the stock market up. And check out our forum, check out our blog. Oh my goodness, very exciting times. Take part in it, guys. I've said this before, I'll say it again, and I'll keep saying it as long as I can. Okay, look, times are changing, okay? In so many different arenas, all right? You got the political arena, you got the health arena, which is, the health part is really our livelihood, okay? We have the financial arena, all these different things, okay, changing all at once. It's supposed to happen that way. If you don't take advantage of the opportunity now, I've been saying, if you go back to my previous videos, archive from 2018, 2019, I've said the same thing. There's going to be a new digital landscape coming. And in fact, it's already here. It's emerging. Now, it hasn't completely solidified to the main point where they want it to be. But if you don't take advantage of this opportunity and use this skill, and join Win University and learn, listen to the videos, learn. We have some people that are very studious. We had some people also that were studious. Now, there are different factors in the past. I will admit, in the past, my business was not really where it could have been. Okay, we were not careful in the care of our members, and I am ashamed to actually say that, but I'm being honest, okay? And there was a lot of growing up to do, and there's still some more growing up to do on my part. I'm gonna take the full blame. I could give you guys a whole rundown story of what took place behind the scenes, but at the end of the day, I was the one that I'm still the one, but that calls the shots. So. And I have to make sure that everyone on my team is on the same page as well. So, with that being said, moving forward, that's what we're doing right now. We're moving forward. And this is the most important time to move forward, is now, in these times. This information that I'm providing is so crucial and critical. I do understand that if for those of you who want to learn it on your own for yourselves, there are different levels of this. I wanted to share that as well. I won't talk about all that now on this video, but I just wanted to just briefly mention that. There are different levels of this information. Now, if you want to obtain to the higher level of the information, it's just like you going to school. You got the elementary level, we got the ebook. Elementary level, elementary, junior high. If you want the high school, then you join and get the paid access. Start studying all the information that's available to you on the Google Drive. Study the video, study all the new updates that I'm doing now. Study. Then you raise yourself up while you're studying in the high school level. Guess what? You can make money while you're doing it. That's the best part of this. You can learn and earn at the same time. Then you got the higher level, university level, which is the one-on-one Forex mentorship. Okay. Then we got some other stuff that is on the website that I'm going to have content for very soon. Don't worry about that. But yeah, it's a little pricey. We will change the price. look for that on the website as well. But if you have the resources and you're able to make it with the information you got right now, even if it's hard for you to wrap your mind around, because I know that for me, I take for granted that somehow, some way, this stuff got downloaded into me. Okay, I'm just gonna be honest. That's just what it is. I didn't read this from nowhere. I didn't study this from anybody. Go look online, CMV, CMM. You won't find it except with what I got. Because it ain't out there. And if it is out there, it's gonna be after I've spoken about it. Okay. And I'm not saying this to brag or boast. I'm humbled about it. I don't even know. I just receive it and accept it for what it is. Okay? That's just what I'm learning. Receive it, accept it. It's a gift. Move forward, utilize it, help others, do the right thing with the gift that's been given to me. And I'm doing that with not only this, but every other area of my life. I'm trying to do that. Okay, and even all the other stuff, and yeah, I'm keeping it real because there's no other way to keep it. I'm not gonna sit here and be fake. So clean up all the other little messes I got my team to help me out, and we work on it together. And if you need to reach us, and if you have any comments, if you have any questions, any concerns, please contact us. I encourage you to do so. We have people standing by to assist you. Much, much better this time, guys. Customer service on point now. On point. Research department on point. Account management department on point. The only department I need to get on point right now is the marketing department. But other than that, the main key things that are important, not because it's important to us to see us grow as a business, but important so that we can see that you benefit from the information, that you grow as an individual. Okay. So anyways, I definitely went over my talk time and definitely went off in so many different directions, but I believe I needed to say these things. So anyhow, guys, thank you for your time. Thanks for listening, and contact us. I'll see you in the next video. Guys, have a happy holiday, happy Thanksgiving. Spend time with your families, your friends, the best you can. I know with the situation going on with the whole social distancing and stuff like that. And hey, I'm in California, so they're locking us down. Okay, so with the best that you can do, spend time with your loved ones this holiday. Okay? All right. God bless.